Well, we just rode down the river on the nice bike trails that the Bosque has, and we arrived at a place that we want to try. We haven't been to this particular spot yet. We're just gonna give it a try. Hope for the best. We know that there's fish all along this river. It's just a matter of finding the river through this thick stuff.
Berries out here.
It's part of the adventure. Here we go. Joseph, here. Dang. Swim up. Take me back into the bank. Here goes. Yeah.
I think he has my line too.
Does he? No, he doesn't have it.
No? I'm getting some bites in.
This whole bank looks good, Joseph. For good reason.
Yeah, he has my line. Oh, there you go.
All right. Oh yeah, he does have your line. Came right off, and the fun continues. It sure was fun. There he is, there he is, there he is. There he is. Mm-hmm. We want his grandpa. Oh. Filming those bites?
Mm-hmm.
This, folks, is what we call hungry catfish.
And this, folks, is what we call hungry humans.
Yeah. Food chain. Oh, turtle. Yep, it's a turtle.
Is it a turtle?
Yeah. Oh, dang. Good sized turtle too. Oh, bro, this is nothing. This feels nothing like that one I lost the other day, dude. I don't think that was a turtle, man. I think it was a big catfish. Check it out. We caught us a river turtle. These are flat shell turtle, and they're very mean. They bite you. They're very hard to deal with. He has my bait right in his mouth right there. If I had some needle nose, I could probably try and take it out. Where's my pliers at? Well, we were able to successfully get the hook out of the turtle's mouth without harming him. We're gonna release him. I'm gonna try and do it without getting bit. Oh, he's anxious. Come on there, buddy.
Turtle, turtle.
Clawing me up a bit with his hands. Ow. Clawed me a good one, but
Sure, you got some.
yeah. Look, whatever it is, I have it. Fish or turtle? The branches push the backpack back. Gotta be a turtle, dude, because it's heavy, man.
It's not fighting.
It's not like the catfish. It's swimming. Weird, because are you getting hits?
Yeah. I don't know if we're not together, huh?
Damn, big old turtle. Look at this one.
Oh no, you're way out there.
Look at. Filming it?
Yep.
Come
Oh
on,
yeah.
man. What are you doing? Get my bait. He has your line.
Yeah.
Where's that net at? Well, another turtle. Let's let this guy go. This is always really risky. And you got this guy. Oh, crap. This guy's meaner than the other one. He's gonna try and bite me. He's hissing. I think I have a turtle. Here, Joe.
Turtle?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a good pull.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, you want a turtle, boy? This is gonna be a good one, I think. Woo-wee. Yeah, this is a better one. Oh man, yeah, this is a good turtle here. If it's a catfish, it's a good one, but I think it's a turtle. Damn, man, are you getting the rod tip? This is a good one, bro. Oh. Fisher Joe promised you guys some footage of this turtle. He thinks it's a good idea that we take a close look at him, since we don't get to see him that often. That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Man, he's coming up to my feet, man. I hope I don't get him.
Nah, he's over here.
Wait, look at that turtle, boy. That's a turtle. Let me have that net, dude. Oh my god. Look at the tip of my rod. Look at that turtle, boy. That's a good one. Trophy turtle.
Trophy turtle.
Here we go. This guy's about a 8 to 10 pound turtle. I don't know if he's gonna fit in this net, dude. I don't think he's going to.
When he gets in there, just hold it straight up and down. It'll snap if you hold it flat.
Oh, bro, he's heavy. I can't hold him with one hand.
Hold it straight up and down, back like that.
That's a good one. He's snapping at the net there. Look, see him? See him biting? These things are mean, boy. They're ferocious. Okay, we're gonna try and take a better look at this turtle. Show you guys. This turtle probably weighs about, I'd say about 8 pounds maybe. It's got some cool bumps right here in the shell. Their shell is soft. It's not hard shell. I mean, it is pretty hard, but it bends and flexes. It's a little bit softer than most. They're very dangerous. You can see just the claws that it has. He's not hooked. He's in there free. We're gonna release him now. We're gonna try and do it safely. Fisher Joe's gonna show us how to get it done. He's got a hold of the turtle now. I think you got to back of his shell out. There you go. There you go. And wow, what an amazing looking creature. Prehistoric. It's almost looking like looking at a dinosaur. What an amazing looking guy. And look at his back. They've got kind of like natural brown camouflage. Almost the kind of color pattern that the U.S. Army uses in brown. Alright, turtle's safe and it's going to go back home. That's a big turtle. We got another turtle.
Oh, I found the turtle hole.
Whoa, he's fighting. Jeez, these things are strong. Dang. They fight harder than the catfish. Look at that rod. Man. How far is the net? Is the net packed up?
Yep.
Oh no. Well, if we were looking for turtles today, we'd be doing great. Caught another turtle. A big mature turtle. And I just want to show you guys something on why you should be really cautious when you're dealing with these turtles. They can be dangerous. And we don't want to harm them. They definitely want to harm us though. And he just wants to protect himself. Oh! There he is.
Get him?
Oh, right below me. Sweet. Way back there. See the jump way back there? Yeah, something's way back there. No cuss. Hopefully it comes on this side of those logs. No, it's good. There you go. Might cross your line. Is it going up? Good one. Way, good one. Way back there, bro. See? Get him. Woohoo! That was awesome. Wasn't even down, what, 5 seconds? Yep. I like that wing as a combo. Got him?
Damn, bro.
Oh man, that's you need to set your drag, Joseph.
Damn.
Get in the water. Oh fudge, man. You know what? I'm gonna have to reel my line in. Yep. I don't want to mess you up. Here we go, man. Here we go. I think we're already hung up, right?
Okay.
All right, there we go. Now I got you. Oh, that's a nice one, man. Hey, do you need the net? I saw him. I don't think I caught him in the camera jumping. There we go, baby. That's what we came for. There he goes. He's swimming up. Pretty good fish.
It's like a big head fish.
Yeah, it's a big male. Let's take a look at him. Wow, it's got a wide head. Hold him sideways or something. Look at that. What a good looking fish. Long.
If it had a fatter body,
It's pretty good. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. Nice. Beautiful.
Alright. Catch you later, buddy. Yeah, that was a cool release, huh?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, dude. Well, we had another good day back here on the Rio Grande River. We had some action today. We caught some turtles, caught a few catfish, and as always, it's been a blast. We'll see you guys next time. We're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna take a walk to our bikes, and from our bikes, we got about a 1.5 mile ride to the truck. It's been good.
Up in the hills